Here's our 15-minute chart, and here's our move if there's going to be one. So we've got to decide, really how we want to manage this trade and how much more it's got in it. I may move. I already combined two of the profit targets into one, so I've only got two profit targets right now. And you know what I'm going to do? You're going to watch me do it. Hold on here. I'm going to take a chunk of them right here if we can.
Filled.
And then we're going to move.
Filled.
Oh boy. That was not, it's hard working the camera and moving everything else at the same time. Was going to try to move my stop up to break even and then keep the other profit target existing for just a little bit longer. Well, you know what? It's showing me we still have one of them live. I thought I combined two of them. Okay. Anyway, so here we go. Again, trying to look through the camera. I can only see what I can see through the camera, so it's hard to catch everything. So okay, we've got one profit target still alive, which is what we had hoped, and we're gonna move it 64.50. There's a significant potential resistance area at 64.75, and so we're gonna try to get out just ahead of it. And we're going to wait just 1 second before moving our profit target up. Hold on, I'll let you watch. We're going to wait just a second before moving it up. It's a little too close here to jam it in there now. And hey, if it continues to stall right in here, we may take the remainder of our profits. Excuse me. Go ahead and move that other target down. So I'm going to give it another second here and decide what we're going to do in terms of moving stop up or profit target down, or a combination thereof. So let's see what we got here. I think we're still potentially looking a little higher here, maybe only a tick or two, but that's all we're looking for is another couple of ticks here. I'm gonna just kind of leave things where they are. I don't want to move that profit target, the stop. I mean, I could move the stop up to like 2 ticks bad, just to make sure it doesn't run away from us going in the other direction. But I definitely don't want to move it to break even yet. It's just a little too tight. So let's try to keep it tuned, unless it's total stall job right here. I'll try to keep it tuned so you can kind of see where this one goes. See what I'm seeing on the tick chart. Let me show you. That's what we got going on. There we go. There's an uptick. That's what I was looking at on the tick chart, was that build up right there, which was leading me to believe that we could see another 1 or 2 ticks. Would have liked to have seen them both in succession, so we could have gotten filled right there. And here's what we're going to do here. We're going to go to 64.25. I told you about that 64.75 being a potential resistance area. Going to move our stop to break even now. And told you about that being a potential resistance area. And sometimes you'll put it, 1 tick shy of that resistance area, and PS, 1 tick's not enough. It starts getting up there, and other people are thinking the same thing. They want to be just 1 tick shy of there too, and try to be perfect. Is the intent, and you may not be the only person thinking the same thing. I can tell you there's a possibility of it backing off. Well, let me wait here before I speak too soon. It may not get back down to our break even, but it looks like it's, and obviously from what you can see on the price ladder, it's confirming that it's softened up just for a second there. But let's see, we may have one more little surge in it that gets us to our 64.25 here. Let's see. I think this will be my last trade. Gonna grab something to eat. It's 12:30 here. Grab something to eat, and I think call it a day. I'll show you what my total is. I can't recall if I recounted that for you on the last little clip I made. I don't know when I started the clip of this particular trade, but it's at some point you got to look and say, hey boy, that's a great day. Let's give it up for the day and pull the plug. So hold on 1 second here. We'll see if we can get filled, and we'll get these videos uploaded for you. And I think that's going to be it for the day. Okay, so there's our 64.25 ticking on us right now. See if we can get filled. Come on. Don't know any good jokes. Not much of a good joke teller, so can't help you out there and give you something to while away the idle seconds here. Definitely not going to be doing any stand-up acts anytime soon. Acting like it wants to fill us. At least I don't know how much stronger it may move through after that. And I don't want to say we don't care, but for the purpose of this particular trade, we really kind of don't care. You can see.
Target
Okay,
filled.
there we go. Because I saw some of them are fillings
Target
actually.
filled.
Okay, that's all of them. That's all of them. Okay, so that's it. I am going to pull the plug for the day. We are $45,750 for the day, and we're going to pull the plug there. It's an interesting day, and it's hard to leave. I mean, you get these days when you feel like you're clicking it and seeing everything correctly, and you hate to leave, but got to have a life too. I was in here till midnight last night, so anyway. That's it for today. I doubt that you'll see me back, but I do keep tabs on the market. If I see something extraordinary that I want to jump back in on, you may see me again, but I think that may be it for today. And have a great one and a good weekend, everybody.